This is Sam Henry, founder of No Limits to Health, and I want to say that thank you for inventing such a fantastic piece of equipment. I'm saying to the whole world now, this device, especially for those, I'm appealing to those senior citizens. You may have been retired, in home, thinking that you won't be able to get out as you used to. You're thinking of your early days when you were very active. And now you're thinking, I can't do that anymore. Well, I've got news for you. The inventor of TK1 has invented a wonderful kit that will transform your lives. You want to go out and see the great and beautiful British countryside? Well, there it is. You can put this kit on your bike and it will take you all the way up to Scotland. Yes, it can, because the battery in there is built to last. So that's the key thing. It's convenient, efficient, powerful. And it will overcome the obstacles that you face, such as the hills, your legs struggling to get up the hill. This bike makes it a breeze.